We've got a new first figure statue. We have Femto Exclusive to go with Guts and Skullknight. Unboxing here. I've already undone the tape at the top. Let's get it out and have a look. In the dark here a bit more. It's not completely dark. I've got a projector on there lighting up the room a bit with some BERSERK music, so you can see the souls and the band of the hawk armour and weaponry. The big piece is a nice touch there. We also have the animated mode. Slowly lights up bit by bit. I prefer static, it's just brighter. If I can find it. There we go. So that gives you an idea of what it's like in the dark. So that's only with the exclusive edition and the interchangeable head, which I think I prefer the original, to be fair, but you get the light up base as well and all the swords in it. So I'll put the light on, showing a bit more detail. You've got it there with the light on. We have the story around the base. You got Femto there. It's the scene from where he turns evil. There's the other gods. Let's see that in more detail, the armour. The swords. The detail on it is really impressive. All the muscles, you can see it all in the legs, the body. You can see the effect inside the wings. That is the standard head, I believe, looking more down. I thought the exclusive one was angled, but it's actually just looking straight up. I'll put that in. So that's the exclusive one, the red eyes and looking more upright. Can't decide what I prefer. That's normal. Sorry, that was exclusive. That's normal. A little bit more menacing, but you can't see the face as much. If it's looking down. And got the side. It's a lot wider than I thought. I'm not sure if it's going to fit where I wanted it next to Guts, but we'll give it a try. Kind of back view. It's a shame you can't see the back, it's really good. Like when displayed anyway. So that is the exclusive Femto. I'll try and get it next to Guts and next to Skullknight so you can see what it's like for scale and how they look together. Let's give that a go. Okay, this is them together. Actually fit quite well. They're just going in the hallway. So, there they are. Got the Femto spare head in a little cup. Same with Guts. I used to do the Day 1 edition cards as well. I don't do it anymore, which is a shame, but that's them together. He's slightly, I'd say slightly taller, but Guts' sword probably about the same height. pretty even in height. They look great together. I would like the three of them next to each other, but they'd have to go upstairs and I like them downstairs. So, switch the light off. Go in the dark a bit there, let's turn this light off. Not as bright as Gut's one, but still a nice effect. Yeah, brilliant, absolutely brilliant, love them. So, there you go. I've actually gone for the exclusive head, because as it's in the hallways, you're standing up, it's looking too far down with the standard head. The exclusive one, you can actually see the face a bit more. Okay, now I've got to carry it upstairs to go next to Skull Knight. It's really back heavy when you're lifting it, like it's going to topple backwards, so I'll take that up then now. And there you have it next to Skull Knight. Skull Knight kind of makes it look small because it's huge. There's a Skull Knight there. Next to Femto. I guess it's just the width and the cape of Skull Knight that make it look so big. The actual character's similar. There's your Skull Knight. And your Femto. Would be nice to have all three of them together, but they might fit on there if I shuffle it up again. I do think Femto looks better next to Gut. I think it's just the colouring. Let's get the light off. There you go. I have to say, I think Skull Knight is still my favourite. It's just a very imposing piece, and the lighting effect's awesome. But I'm impressed with Femto. There we go. So that is Femto. Let me know if you like it. What head do you prefer? The exclusive forward or the regular looking down? I'm going to take this downstairs and put it back next to Guts now. I think that's where it belongs. I hope you liked the video. I've got a Dark Souls SD resin to do next, so I'll post that later today as well.